tips how to earn money from YouTube. Ad revenue. You can monetize your videos by enabling ads which will play before, during, or after your videos. As viewers watch your ads, you'll earn money. Sponsored content. You can also earn money by creating sponsored content for brands, where they pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. YouTube Premium. You can earn money by creating content that is exclusive to YouTube Premium subscribers. YouTube channel memberships. You can earn money by offering special perks to viewers who pay to become members of your channel. YouTube merchandise. You can also sell merchandise related to your channel, such as t-shirts, hats, and mugs, through YouTube's built-in merchandise shelf feature. YouTube live streaming. Also, you can earn through live streaming by enabling Super Chat feature, where viewers can pay to have their messages highlighted during a live stream. It's important to note that in order to monetize your videos and earn money from YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. Subscribe for more.